Everybody, this is Steven from Videographiers. As a little brand, Videographiers makes a number of hard-shell cases for camera, fire rescue, drones, medical, and other fields. In this video, let's have a look at the part number 212 because it's one of the better-selling models to our American and Australian clients. Let's have a look at the hard shell case. It's made of engineered PP alloy, very strong, crash-proof, and it's a good quality material. For this handle, it's soft and comfortable, easy to carry, as you see. The latches are easy to open the case. We can open it within a few seconds. The pressure equalization valve with the Orion seal inside, it makes the case IP67 waterproof and dustproof. About the wheels, they are made of stainless steel bearing with good quality PU, very silent turbo extension handle. It's easy to carry out with this release button. It's very strong and easy to carry. For the interior structure, let's have a look. As you see, there are some rods on the lid and the bottom. They are used for fix the instrument panel and insert foam and so on as your requirement. At present, we have blue color, yellow color, pink color, black color appearing. And we can also customize the color as your requirement. Let's have a look at the interior structure. As you see, we have Orion seal to make the case IP67 waterproof. And for the lid, we can choose organizers, egg foam to protect your equipment. And for the bottom, we have good quality nylon dividers. The nylon dividers is easy to adjust the space for your equipment by this fixture. And we also have pre-cut foam. We can also customization EVA as your requirement or your drawing. And we also have the corrugated dividers. Thank you for watching. For more products, I will show you in next video. Have a nice day.